Without wasting time, we start the lesson number first. What is lesson first? Introduction to computers. Before start the lesson, one point we discuss. Which point is what is a computer system? You know that what is a computer system? How many parts of computer system? Mainly two parts of computer system: hardware and software. Both are different. You know that hardware is a physical part, software is a what inside the computer is program. Hardware contain many parts: mouse, keyboard, monitor, CPU, printer, scanner, hard disk, even pen drive. Pen drive is a storage device. I will explain later. These all are hardware. This is a physical part. Physical part means we can see and we can touch. Yes, but software is also part of computer system. It is inside the computer. It is a program. We can see but we can't touch. Without hardware, we can't use computer. Without software, we can't use computer. Both are essential part of computer. The computer system made of hardware and software. Do you understand? Then what is the definition of computer? Computer system. Before that, see here this image: printer, monitor, CPU, you can call base unit, mouse, keyboard, speaker. These all are physical part. We can see, we can touch. Correct? These all are part of computer system. The next, the software is also part of computer system. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, any other softwares like medical software, integration software, website. You know that websites, many websites. You are using Google search engine. This also part of computer system. This also software. Yes, means computer system contain hardware part and software part. And what is the definition of computer system? A computer is an electronic machine that performs arithmetic and logical operations on data, and it processes as per the instructions or input given the information as output. You understand? The first, a computer is an electronic machine. Do you agree? It is electronic machine? Yes, because it works on electricity. Same in your home, there are many electronic parts like a TV, fridge, AC, air conditioner. These all are, there are many, but these all are electronic devices because it works on electricity. Same computer works on electricity, but every device has different works. Fridge also different works, TV different works, air conditioner different works. Same computer also different works. It performs arithmetic and logical operations. Arithmetic means our mathematical calculations: plus, addition, minus, subtraction, multiplication, division. These all are arithmetic operators. And logical operator, these are logically problem. Correct? These all are logically problems. It performs arithmetic and logical operations on a given data. It's processed as per the instruction or input given. How we give the input, how we give the instruction, they performs as, and afterward they give the input or output. Correct? Not only work for computer works is it perform arithmetic and logical operators. There are many works. They can do many works. You know that in railway station, what is the use of computer? They remove the tickets for booking the tickets. There are announcement. Even our school, for admission process, for fee collections. Correct? There are many use. Also home also we can use computer. In medical shop, for maintain bills, for stock maintain. Banks also, yes, bank also very important. Computer is very important. Means the computer is very important in our life nowadays. But computer needs the instructions or input, correct instructions and input, because computer doesn't have a brain. It can't work its own. Correct. We have a brain. We can take decision. The computer can't take decision its own. That's reason. That's reason we can give the instructions or input. Now here for input and for output there are separate hardware parts. Correct. These are also part of computer, no problem. But these are different parts. For input, mouse, keyboard, scanner. We can use the input using mouse. We can select the data. Using keyboard, we can type the data inside the computer, and afterward the CPU process on it and show the output to the output devices. Means printer. Correct. Printer is output device. Monitor is output device. We show the output. We show the result. Printer, we can take out the printout. Do you understand? Means computer system is a electronic machine that performs arithmetic and logical operations on data and is processed as per the instruction or input given the information as output. Do you understand? Next point we learn in the next lecture. Thank you.